Hey.
Where do we find him?
Right up there, unfortunately.
Right on the door.
Unfortunately, he's crawling all around me.
Uh-oh, where'd he go? Okay, let's get up close. Hold still.
He is actually... The reason why they're called stick bugs is because some people mistaken them as sticks.
Why do they look like that?
To camouflage. And let me, if I can just get him to get off this part of my head, I will
Hey, wait. Let me help you.
be able to
Let's get him down this way here. Ready? He was reaching for me.
show
There
you.
he goes.
There. It's got a color of a stick. And it's another name for these that you can use are walking sticks.
I didn't know that.
We've got two large antennae in the front to help them sense. They got two little tiny eyes that are really hard to see.
Was he biting you?
No, but they do have pinchers. Their pinchers are too little to bite a human. They're too tiny, and on their feet they've got little hook-like features on them to help them grab on. They're really thin. They have really thin legs and a really thin body.
Awesome. Good nature find.
And their height are really, really small. If you've ever seen an African stick bug, if you never have, if you look up a picture of it, it will be way bigger than this. This is just a normal one from America. These are, but African stick bugs can get to like a foot long, so.
All right. Thanks for sharing with us.
Be brave. Stay wild. See you in the next adventure.